Hi everyone, it is Miss O'Neill here and we are back with our next math lesson. So we're going to keep on going with our practice book on the page that has our 12.1 practice here. See if I can, cool, awesome. We did the first two columns the last time we had a math lesson like this, and now we are going to finish the last two columns, okay? So let's take our first question, for example. So the first problem on your practice book page says 45 minus 9, okay? We circled the bigger number, 45 here. And then the workbook asked us to decide if we need to regroup to subtract. We took a look and we said, okay, if I have 5 ones here and I need to take away 9, I can't do that, so I do need to regroup. So we have 45 here on our tens and ones chart. 4 in the 10 spot, 5 in the 1 spot. We are not going to add the 9 here because we're not doing addition, okay? So we're just going to keep 45 on here. Now, we need to regroup. So I'm going to trade one of my 10 sticks for 10 ones. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I still have 45 here, but the only difference is there's 10 more in the 1 spot and 10 less in the 10 spot. Okay? It's kind of like if I took this 10 and I just put it over here. Okay? Awesome. Cool beans. So now we're on column number 3. It says subtract the ones. And then we need to figure out our 10s in our 1 spot. So subtract the ones. I'm subtracting 9. I know it's 9 because it's right in the problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now I did my subtraction. So now I need to figure out how much I have in the 10s and how many ones I have in the 1 spot. How many 10 sticks do we have here? Wonderful. 3. And how many ones do I have in the 1 spot? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wonderful. 3 in the 10 spot and 6 in the 1 spot. So on your third column there, you can go ahead and trace over 3 10s, 6 ones. And then the workbook asks you, what is the difference? So difference here is our answer to a subtraction problem. Difference is the answer. So like how the sum is the answer to an addition problem, the difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. Okay? So that's question number 1. I'm going to put my 1s away. I'll keep my 1s up at the top actually. I'll put my 10s away. Go ahead and erase my 3, 6. Go ahead and erase my 4, 5. And I'll erase that too. Awesome. So now we're on problem number 2 and we're going to do problem number 2 together. See what I did there? Problem number 2 is asking us 68 minus 3. 68 minus 3. So I need to put 68, the bigger number, on my 10s and 1s chart. How many 10s am I going to have to put down for 68? Wonderful, 6. 6 is in the 10 spot, so 6 goes over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many do I have to put in the 1 spot for 68? Nice, you're on top of it. 8 goes into this 1 spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wonderful. Now, what did we decide? Do we have to regroup to subtract for 68 minus 3? No, awesome job. We do not have to subtract. I'm taking a look at my one spot. I know I need to subtract 3 from the one spot. Do I have 3 or more here? Awesome job. Yes, I do. Since I have 3 or more here, I don't have to regroup. I can leave my 68 just like this. Now, column number 3, subtract the ones. What do I have to subtract from the ones? Which number? Awesome, 3. Goodbye, goodbye, get out of here. Awesome. So now I get to answer column number 3 when it says how many 10s and how many 1s. How many 1s do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wonderful. 5 1s and how many 10s? Awesome, 6. And that's the answer to column number 3, 6 10s, 5 1s. Now, the last column is asking us the difference. What is the answer to our problem over here? 68 minus 3 equals, awesome, 65. All we have to do is squish these two numbers together, 65. I'm gonna go ahead and put my 10s away and my 1s away. I want to get through as many problems as we can together before I let you go off and do this on your own, okay? I try to make the videos like only 15 minutes, so I want to see how many more problems we can do in that time. Question number 3 says 72 minus 5. Column number 1, which number is bigger, 72 or 5? Nice, awesome job. It is 72 for sure. So what we're going to do is put the right number of 10s and 1s on our chart. How many 10s in 72? Wonderful. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how many 1s here? Awesome. 2. Oop. Now, refresh my memory, please. Do we need to regroup? I have to take away 5 from the 1s column. Do I have 5 or more here? No, I don't have 5 or more, so we do need to regroup. Awesome. So I'm going to take one of my 10 sticks, put it over here, but I can't have a 10 stick over here, so I need to put 10 1s over here. Swap it out. Awesome. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just double checking. Awesome. How many 10s do we have here now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wonderful. 6. And how many 1s do we have here now? 2, and then we added 10. So what's 10 plus 2? Awesome. 12. So in column number 3, go ahead and write 6 10s. Oh, wait. No, we have to subtract the 1s first. That's my bad. So yes, we do have 6 10s and 12 1s over here. I'm going to erase 12, and I'm going to subtract the 1s. How many do I need to subtract? Awesome, 5. We have our answer from right over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, goodbye. Now how many 1s do we have over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nice. So we write 6 10s and 7 1s in that third column. And then in the last column, what's the difference? Give me this number together. 6 10s and 7 1s is... Awesome, 67. Let's go ahead, put those away. Erase, erase. Question numero 4, number 4. Number 4 says 58 minus 8. 58 minus 8. So let's go ahead and decide which number is bigger, 58 or 8. It's tricky. I know it's complicated. You're good. Awesome, good, 58. So let's go ahead and put that on our chart. 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s, 5. And now we need to put 8 ones in the ones column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. Now we have to decide whether or not we need to regroup here. Okay? I have 8 in the one spot and I need to subtract 8. Do I have to regroup here? No, I don't. It's actually kind of cool what's about to happen. So, column number 3, subtract the ones. I'm taking away 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No one saw that. Cool, we subtracted the ones. So now we need to figure out how many 10s and how many ones here. How many ones? Awesome, there's no ones here. 0. How many 10s are over here? You're right, we didn't even touch them. There's still 5. So 5 10s and 0 1s. Put that number together. What is the difference? Awesome. 50. Can you imagine? Pretty cool stuff. All right, I think we have time for one more. So let's go ahead and get that set up. Number 5 says 92 minus 4. Which number is bigger here, 92 or 4? Awesome. How many 10s do I need to put in the 10 spot? Wonderful job, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Kind of stacking them on top of each other, but you can still see that there's 9 here. And how many 1s go into the ones place for 92? Awesome. 2. Now we need to decide whether or not we need to regroup. I have 2 1s here and I need to subtract 4 1s. Can I take away 4 from 2? So I need to go ahead, put my 10 stick over here to regroup, but I can't have a 10 stick. I need to swap it out. 4 10 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Now we're on column number 3. Subtract the 1s. I'm going to take away how many from the 1s, please? 4. Wonderful job. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Cool beans. So now we need to figure out how many 10s and how many 1s. Let's count the 10s together first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 10s. Wonderful. Ooh, kind of a weird sideways 8, but we're good. And now we need to figure out how many 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, interesting. Also 8. That one's definitely sideways. There we go. So how many 10s and how many 1s go in column number 3? Awesome. 8 10s and 8 1s. Squish these numbers together. What is our difference? What is the answer to our subtraction problem? 92 minus 4 equals? Wonderful. Awesome job. 88. It's hard. It's okay. This is 2nd grade math, but we are smart 2nd grade kids. And if I know anything, I know that we got this. Awesome job. Go ahead and give yourself a kiss on the forehead and a pat on the back. Your job is to finish up practice page 12.4 in your book, okay? That is your job for the rest of the day, whatever day you're watching this video. But you can skip number 9. Number 9, it wants you to write your own subtraction sentence. You don't have to do that. I'm going to give you the pass on that. Awesome. Love you lots, and I miss you a bunch, and I will see you later.